Hello, I'm Pamela Woodroffe, a psychotherapist in Seattle, Washington. I specialize in helping clients who are stressed and anxious to find creative ways to reset and find a moment's peace. It can be helpful during stressful times to take a breath, not just any breath, but a fully experienced one, concentrating only on your body and breath. Before we begin, just notice how anxious or stressed do you feel right now on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the most, and make a mental note of it. In just a few minutes, you may find yourself surprised at how calm you feel after taking this little time out for yourself. Notice your body. Find a comfortable place to sit and settle deeply into the surface beneath you. Notice your posture. Are you sitting hunched? Are you having pain or discomfort anywhere? Try to relax, sinking deeply into your chair, feeling well supported, fully giving over to this experience for the next bit. Notice your breath. Are you breathing shallowly? Most of us do this habitually. It's part of what sets anxiety cycles in motion. Belly breath. We'll be breathing 4 counts in and 6 counts out. Breathing in through your nose while sticking your belly out, trying not to move your chest. Then breathe out slowly, blowing through pursed lips. We'll be breathing up and down our body. Breathing in through the top of your head, drawing down from the sunshine and sky, and breathing out down your body like you're sending roots from the bottom of your feet into the earth. That's a lot to keep track of, so I'll walk you through it. We'll try this for several breaths until you get the hang of it, and then we'll start the rainbow breathing. If you notice your mind wandering, that's okay. Just notice it with curious compassion and say, "Oh, that's a thought," and send it along its way, and then return to the present moment. Breathe in through your nose while sticking your belly out, trying not to move your chest, and then breathe out for a little bit longer through pursed lips. Inhaling in, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale through your nose, belly out, 3, 4, and exhale through pursed lips, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling through your nose, belly out, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got the hang of it? Okay, let's add in the colors of the rainbow. We'll do this breathing with each color of the rainbow in succession. It's like giving your body and soul a color wash. So breathe in the color red, in through your nose, belly out, 2, 3, 4, and exhale out through pursed lips, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in orange, 2, 3, 4, and exhale orange, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale yellow, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 3, 4. Inhaling green, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhaling light blue, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, dark indigo blue. 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, purple. 2, 3, 4. And exhale, purple. 3, 4, 5, 6. And finally, sparkly white light. Inhaling. 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Good job. Whenever you're ready, slowly bring yourself back into the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes to come home to yourself, and then open your eyes. Take a minute to check in with yourself. Do you feel more relaxed? Ask yourself, how stressed or anxious do you feel from 1 to 10 now? Most people find they've reduced their stress level by at least 2 points for just a few minutes of this meditation. Find yourself having trouble turning off the self-talk in your head? You can make this meditation a little more complicated by taking in the colors of the rainbow through the sense of taste, like what does an orange taste like? What's a lemon taste like that's yellow? Or scents. Maybe green might be basil, light blue might be blueberries. Go ahead and use your imagination. It's really good for you. I'm Pamela Woodroffe, psychotherapist, and I provide teletherapy to clients who are located in Washington State. I especially love helping people quiet their inner critics, regain concentration, and restore balance. If you'd like to explore more, you can find me on my website, www.pamelawoodroffecounseling@gmail.com. Again, it's www.pamelawoodroffecounseling@gmail.com, and Woodroffe is spelled Woodroffe. Take good care. Bye-bye.